here. 10 out of 10. Hello mga kalaks, good morning. Nandito tayo pa rin sa Ontario, Canada, sa London, to be specific. Kagabi, wala tayong masyadong hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog kahapon dahil ang pangit ng boses ko. But now, I think I'm regaining my voice. Bumabalik na siya. So yan, ngayon bumibili lang kami ng ticket mga kalaks. We're planning to watch a movie later.
Oh, hi! We're in Cineplex.
So what are we going to watch?
We're going to watch Superman.
So yan yung cousin ko mga kalaks. My cousin and his wife is buying now ticket for the movie later, Superman. Ayan si Superman Colette.
If you're new in this channel, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button and like this video.
Mga kalaks, nandito tayo sa Casterman's Farm and we will do blueberry picking. Yan, sila po. Iyan yung map ng farm mga kalaks. Ito tayo, blueberry fields. Welcome to Casterman's.
Bucket.
Why 2 buckets, Gab? Ang dami naman yan. Grabe, ang lawak ng mga farm nila mga kalaks. Isabi, pick your own raspberries, blueberries. $4, 1 pint per pound prepay. 4 extra, 4 per pint pound. All pickers must either prepay for 1 pint or pound or purchase an Adventure Farm ticket that day. Ko alam kung paano yung explanation niya. Let's go. Gab, come here. Oh yan mga kalaks, we're going to the farm na kung nasan yung blueberries. There's a lot, oh. Dami nang nagpipik. Okay. I-assign ka nila, hindi ka pwedeng ikot ng ikot, ganon. Ito mga kalaks yung blueberries. Ang pwede lang daw i-pick ay yung blue. Yan, ito pwede na to, blue na yan. Pwede na nating i-pick yan. So yan mga kalaks, ito yung area.
Daddy, work together.
Yeah.
Ninong Richard.
Ibigay mo kay Ninong yung ano. Good. Ibigay mo kay Ninong yung...
No, that's fine. Thank you.
Work together with Dad.
Yes po.
Eh, nandito ako sa ilalim.
I'm going to take.
Oo nga, ba't gusto mo ba to Ferd?
Para may experience.
Nandamay ka pa gusto mo umiti.
Sa atin, di ba duhat lang binpik natin. Tsaka aratilis.
Mommy.
Ito, nakaano ka.
Sosyal. Nasa, ano mo na nakaka-LL, blueberry, pinipik.
Hindi na.
Mga kalaks, ang ipipik lang daw yung ganito. Yung ganitong kulay, violet. So, tingin tayo. Ay, ito nga, pula-pula pa eh. Pag muna to. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito mga kalaks, oh. Dami, oh. Ayan, oh. Thank you, anak. So thoughtful. Dami, oh. Just ang dami. Kukunin natin to. Ang dami. Kukunin natin to. Yan yung mga nakuha natin to. Yan na. Pabalik na tayo dun sa entrance uli. Grabe ang init, hindi ka tatagal ng sobrang tagal dito. Ay talaga, magbaback to zero ka sa pagpaputi ng mukha mo.
Ay, work from home.
Correct. Iba. Dami. Ito na yung pinagbilad natin sa araw. 5 pounds mahigit yung na pick up natin mga kalaks. So yan, dami. Ayun mga kalaks, may mga fresh na berries. $6 pag pitas na, 4 pag hindi, di ba? Oh. May mga iba-iba silang products dito. They have sour cherry jam, raspberry, peach. They also have pies.
Ano siya? $50.
Look at that. Rubber pie. Akin na yan, bit-bitin ko.
Sige lang po.
Yan, may mga pie sila. They also have this pastries mga kalaks. Oh, may cinnamon bun, apple raspberry. And they also have ice cream. Yan yung mga ice cream. Master cookie, iba-iba.
No, it's not in here. Maybe this is an older map.
Punta natin yung main na ano nila.
Hello mga kalaks, good morning, and this is our day 4. Is it 4?
I think so.
Yeah, 4 in Canada, and we're going now to the lavender field, and it's a good day today. The sun is shining bright, and temperature is just fine, and hindi siya ganong hot, pero hindi rin siya ganong cold, which is good in exploring. But be sure you are wearing your sunscreen then. Dahil sikat talaga yung araw. Ito mga kalaks yung lavender field Papunta tayo. Doon yung pinanggalingan natin. Ang ganda ng property ni Kuya. Apparently libre yung yung pasok dito. There's no entrance fee. But out of goodwill, you should donate or buy something from their store. Yan ay lavender.
My legs.
Ayan na siya mga kalakso. Lavenders. Grabe, napuruan ako agad dun sa nung nag-Canada Wonderland tayo. Where? Oh my God, ang ganda! It's so nice. We're done na mga kalaks touring the lavender field. Actually, napaka-relaxing niya. And since wala namang entrance, walang bayad, walang entrance fee, but they have a little shop that you may want to visit para din, alam mo yun, buy something na pwedeng, yung ibabayad mo, yung proceeds will help them maintain the farm. So, ito yung shop mga kalaks. This is the shop. Can buy something, linen spray.
Do you have the honey here?
It's right there. I just brought it.
So $8.
Mom, special evening.
Very nice.
We make most of the stuff that's on that shelf over there. We make the candles, the melts, the bath bombs, body bombs.
What place is this, Gab?
Port Stanley.
Wanna swim?
Yeah, but we don't have swimming suit.
Huh?
We don't have swimming suit.
Mga kalaks, we're here at Port Stanley. Ayan, ito yung dagat na area nila. Sabi ng cousin ko, ang dagat daw dito ay hindi salt water, fresh water daw. What's that? Oh! Grabe yung boses ko, no? Hindi na siya bumalik. My God, ang init. So hot. Dami nagsiswim. My God, ang init.
Hey, go.
Mga kalaks, nandito kami sa may Mackey's at Port Stanley and dito kami magla-lunch. We ordered fish and chips for ourselves and ito yung view mga kalaks while having lunch. This is our view mga kalaks.
Yeah, kaya nga.
Ito mga kalaks yung lunch namin. Fish and chips, tapos fries. Well, fish and fries.
Dad, I want like
Tapos we got hot dogs.
Hattie dog.
Different condiments. We're here at Sean's. Ito yung sikat na mga kalaks, sikat na ice cream parlor or ice cream store dito sa Port Stanley. And we will be trying their ice cream. Masarap naman. Nag-try na ako ng Port Stanley and almond, pistachio almond na flavor, and okay naman siya. So currently, nag-order yung cousin ko si Roy ng ice cream namin for dessert. Yan mga kalaks, we're here sa Costco. Wala pala ako sa video. Tayo sa Costco mga kalaks, and bibili lang tayo ng mga something with my makulit na inaanak here.
Opo.
Opo, wow! Is so bait ngayon. Ayan, ang dami. Ito may mga Doritos. They have big bags of chips. See that? Diba? Ang lalaki ng chips. Raffles and everything. Pop. Kaya niya gusto. Nagwe-wait pa talaga siya. What's this one?
Raspberry.
Tikman daw, tikman.
Okay. How's it? You like it? 10? My God. Perfect score.
Kukunin ka ng mga mag-endorse.
10 out of 10? Really?
Sip-sip na sa mga
Hey, good morning mga kalaks. Welcome to another vlog. Today's another day, and this is our last day here in Canada. And ngayon nakapag-pack na tayo ng gamit, and we are already prepared for the airport for our next flight. It's around 5:30 a.m. kalaks, and our flight to Mexico will depart Toronto, Canada at 11:01 a.m. So there, punta na kami, alis kami ng bayan mga 6 a.m. Gab will miss me. No? No? Let's go. Punta na tayo sa sakyan mga kalaks. Punta na tayong airport. Ito yung area nila mga kalaks. This is the area. Yan. Tahimik na tahimik. Except for this little one.
Hello guys. So we're here in this place that I don't know. We're here. We're now almost. Oh, we're almost there. Not really. It's 60 kilometers. 60. Okay, we're here. We're almost there. It feels like we're almost there, really. This is Ninong Richard. Over here is my mom. Mom, say hello to the camera.
God. Kasi sad na naman siya. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, shoes. Oh, shoes, Papa. Oh, maliliit na siya.
Babalik si
Sige lang, babalik si Nino.
Bye-bye. Oh, shoes.
Babalik si Nino.
Babalik si Nino.
Don't buy na.
Hindi na.
Bye-bye, Fer.
Thank you,
Thank you
Kuya.
so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you.